Hello, it's T. Hoffman, and it's time for another 2 Minute Tuesday. I'm with Law Strategy Corp, and thank you so much for joining us today. I had a question last week about where someone should focus, and this was a coaching client of mine, and their question was, should I focus on my prospects or on my referral sources? And to answer that question, I would say you should really focus on both because your prospects and your referral sources are equally important. But let's talk about prospects for a minute. If you're going to prospect, you need to make sure you're prospecting for your ideal clients. And who are your ideal clients? Well, your ideal clients are those clients, those prospects who have a problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve. So, for example, if you're a construction litigator, you're looking for people who have construction litigation problems. If you're an employment lawyer, you're looking for employers, people who might have those kinds of problems, right? You also need to make sure you're looking for clients that can actually pay what you charge. It does you no good to actually attract prospects and then they cannot afford to pay your bill. So think about that in advance because you can waste a lot of time and energy and even resources going after clients that in the end can't afford to pay what your law firm may be charging as an hourly rate or even as a flat fee rate. So think about that. The third thing I would tell you is your prospects should also be involved in some type of industry group, trade association, or fit some kind of other demographic that you enjoy. And it could be, for example, going back to construction, if you're in the construction industry, they're in a trade association that you're also involved in. If you like to work with entrepreneurs, there's somebody who is a serial startup guy. All right, so think about, are your prospects within the industries or do they have some kind of association with the type of clients that you generally serve? That's important because you can make a connection much more quickly with those clients than you can with those who don't necessarily fit that type. The other thing I would tell you about prospects is your ideal clients need to be the kind of clients that you really enjoy working with. Your prospects need to resonate with you. And so if they're the kind of people who you have a bad feeling about from the get-go, and we've all had those clients that, we picked up the phone and we didn't like them on the initial phone call, but we took them because, we needed the hours or we wanted the origination credit. And those things never turn out well. So I will tell you, as you're thinking about your prospects, think about, do I really like these people? And if I do really like them, then I'm going to do the research. I'm going to take the time to build the relationships with that particular prospect. I'm going to make sure they understand the value of what I can provide. I'm going to be patient and I'm going to be persistent. And I know if I'm patient and persistent and professional, I will reap the payoff of pursuing that particular prospect. Thanks again for joining us for another 2 Minute Tuesday. I hope you'll connect with us at our online training site, which is lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. Thanks so much and have a great rest of your week.